Hello everyone, I am Ahmad and today I'm gonna talk about matrix. First, I will explain what is matrix, adding negative of matrix, subtracting, multiplying by a constant and transposing methods. First, what is matrix? Matrix is an array of numbers. For creating matrix, we should firstly create a transcript, then put numbers into this transcript. For example, our transcript and there are numbers. For example, 4, 3, 7, 8, 9, 11, 10, 13, 12, 20. It is our matrix. This one has 2 columns and 2 rows. It is our simple matrix form. We talk about one matrix or several matrix. There are many things we can do with them. Firstly, adding method. To add to matrix, we add the numbers in the matching positions. For example, simple variants 3, 8, 6, 9 plus 10, 13, 18, 17 is equal to. While doing these operations, we took one number from first part, first transcript, then add it to second matrix. Then we equal this to this part, third matrix. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Then the same, 3 plus 10 is equal to 13. Then 6 plus 18, 24. 13 plus 8, 21. 9 plus 17 is equal to 26. This is the simple form, and the two matrices must be the same size. The rows must match in size and the columns must match in size. Example, a matrix with 3 rows and 5 columns can be added to another matrix of 3 rows and 5 columns, but it could not be added to a matrix with 3 rows and 4 columns. The columns don't match in size. Moreover, negative of matrix. The negative of a matrix is also so simple. We do the same. For example, we take one matrix in the transcript, 3, 4, 14, 5, 16. This negative matrix, we add one negative symbol, means minus. And we got this, minus 3, minus 14, minus 5, minus 16. If in the first part we would have minus 16, it would be plus 16. The same. It is so simple. Then third, subtracting. To subtract two matrices, we subtract the numbers in the matching positions. It is also so simple. 3, 8, 6, 9, 8, 11, 16, 18, 10 is equal to. It is also like multiplying or other adding methods, and while doing this operation we do the same. 3 minus 11 is equal to minus 8, 6 minus 16 minus 10, 8 minus 8 minus 10, also 9 minus 10 is equal to minus 1. And subtracting to actually define as the addition of a negative matrix. Multiply by a constant. We can multiply matrix by some value. Then we take one normal matrix, for example 10, 11, 1, 3. Right before this, for example, 2 times, then we got 22, 22, 6. We call the constant a scalar, so officially this is called scalar multiplication. It is our topic, and after that we have transposing method. For transposing, to transpose a matrix, swap the rows and columns, we put a T in the top of right hand corner to mean transpose. For example, we have for example 6, 4, 7, 8, 10, 12. As I said before, to right hand corner on the top side, we put T letter, then we get this result. For example, 6, 4, 7, 8, 10, 12, which is our transpose matrix. That's all about what I'm saying. Thanks for your attention, and this is our explanation method. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Arif. My peer Ahmad talked about what's matrix, adding negative of matrix, subtracting, multiplying by a constant, and transposing. So I'm going to talk about multiplying by another matrix, identity matrix, and dividing two matrices. So let's start multiplying two matrices. For example, let's take one matrix like very simple matrix and multiply it by, for example, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So how to multiply these matrices? First we take first row and multiply it first column in a matching position. For example, first one with the first one, second one with the second one, and third one with the third one. So let's do it. 1 multiplied by 7 plus 2 multiplied by 9 and third multiplied by 11. And what we get? 7, 18, and so we get 58, and we are writing here. So let's do it next step. Four, and next second row with the first row with the second column. So what we are doing is 1 multiplied by 8, 2 multiplied by 10, and 3 multiplied by 12. 8 plus 20 and we get, and we are writing 64 to here. And let's do it quickly. And now second row is the second column, first column. 4 multiplied by 7 plus 5 multiplying by. So we get this matrix. It's the multiplying two matrices. So what about identity matrix? What is identity matrix? Identity matrix is something like this one, or 1, 1, 1, and 0. As you understand from two examples, number of digits in a rows and columns should be equal because we are looking for rectangular matrices. So it is the simple form of identity matrix. And what about dividing matrices? Let's see. So for dividing two matrices, we will see that, for example, A and B. For dividing it, we will do it in this way. A multiplied by B over minus 1. So, but how to find it? As we know, B multiplied B minus will give identity matrix. We can find that this one is equal to identity matrix. So, but how to find it? Now, for finding an inverse of matrix, we have this rule. Let's take a matrix, for example, A, B, C, D, and finding inverse of this matrix, we are adding minus 1. First, we should find our determinant, and how to find it? 1 over A D minus B C, and multiply it. First, we are swapping it like D and A, and writing just negative form of these digits. And let's see one example, and we will find inverse of this matrix. For example, 1, 2, 3, and 4. How to find it? First, we should find our determinant. As we said before, and multiply it. Let's swapping it. 4 and 1, and minus 2 minus. Let's solve it. 8 minus 6 is equal to, we need this one, and 4 minus 3 minus 2, and as Ahmad talked about before, multiplying by a constant, we will multiply by each other. So 2 minus 1 we will get minus 3, and this is the inverse of our matrix. And we can prove that we can, if we multiply this one, we will get this simple matrix. So it's over. We talked about the matrices, and we believe that it's beneficial for you. So good luck and see you.